Are you looking for the perfect gift for the women in your life? Look no further than our scented candles gift set. Featuring 4 different rich and popular scents including rainforest, pumpkin carriage, white tea, and winter cedarwood, our candles are both fragrant and elegant. Made from soy wax and cotton wick, these scented candles burn cleaner and longer than traditional candles, making them the perfect addition to any home. Whether you're celebrating a birthday, Christmas, anniversary, Mother's or Father's Day, or any other special occasion, our scented candle gift set is the ideal choice for people of all ages. These smokeless candles come in a portable tin, making them easy to take with you wherever you go. And with our satisfaction guarantee, you can shop with confidence knowing that our service team is always available to help with any issues you may encounter. Why are you late experiencing the luxurious scents of our candle set?